hype and happy to welcome everyone to this new tutorial right here. So today we're gonna just see and have a look to cryptos that will most likely to give us a higher reward on our investment that's gonna be focused on for the next month, April. As we all know, the most of the crypto market is just pumps and really highly pumped on April because of taxes in the US, and there's a lot of people also, a lot of investors cashing out, and before they cash out they have to pump up the market or cryptocurrency market in order for them to cash out on high prices. So there's currencies that's really like doing a higher ROI and good for scalping. There's currencies that are good for long investment, for short investment, and there's currencies also that you could also like just invest that for a short time and then get out again as quick as you can, soon as you made your money doubled or tripled. So today I'm just gonna go ahead to share with you those currencies or those cryptos that I'm watching personally. So let me just put this down. This is my coffee thing and scan it. So we have here right on this trading view, I have something called all the time watch list, and they have a lot of categories that I'm watching, and everyone is sorted based on what kind of currency is that. First, we're just gonna have a look on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is what suggests as is there is a market correction, is this a market reversal or not. So based on that, we're gonna trade on other like cryptocurrencies or altcoins the most. So we see here in those sloping moving averages, the 50 and the 20, they are already like trying to back up, and they are all looking to the upside, and there may be an reversal quickly or maybe not. So because we may see, so we have to wait first until Friday pass this, because we have there more than 3 billion option expiry, and that will cause the price a little bit to tumble down maybe. So we have to hold actually this blue line right here, which is going to be above 40. So we have to, in order for us to pump up more to this green line here in between 52 to 48, the max 48, it just in this during the next couple weeks. But the main target actually is 52. So if we hit to this like resistance right here, that will be a really good pullback for the whole rest of crypto market. But the first target is 45, the second is 48k. So we have to first, as I said, to just wait for Friday and see how that's gonna play out, if that's gonna break this resistance down 40 or not, or are we gonna hold. So let's see an answer on at the end of the Friday. So I'm gonna go ahead right now and share with you the currencies that I'm watching the most that may do a lot of rewards, and the most of them is already like starting pulling back, because they have a lot of them have been like first one I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna go to XTZ, which is really known, and this one has been hyping a lot times to more than 10, I think more than 10 it was, but no, here it says $9. That's the most one, or the highest all-time high price that it was at. Right now we were at $2.60. We are starting like pulling back to 353, and it may also continue on the coming weeks, the coming 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and we may see come back to $7 to $8. So this is just easy pullback. So what the next thing that I'm really gonna watch up is the sand is really a solid currency, and we saw in the last, I think 2 weeks or the last week, they have this pass again, they have another sell for the ruffle that they have and they sold it on OpenSea. So congratulations to anyone that have one and get his hand at one. That's good. So we may see some kind of, let's just get it, some stimulation of the price, that how may gonna look like. So I'm gonna go here, you're gonna go here and go with the ghost feed. So I'm gonna just create, choose the ghost feed, that how that's gonna play. So then I will a little bit zoom and take the ghost feed and pull it right here. This is the ghost feed. Then I'm gonna duplicate the ghost feed, duplicate it. So here we go. I'm gonna pull it right here. So this, I mean, the ultimate target for send will be at $20. That's the ultimate target before we do some kind of correction down to 10, and then we're not gonna go back no more to 10. Maybe we're gonna continue like rising to 40 and other prices. So those numbers that you hear right now, they may sound like crazy, but it is what it is. And this send is really a good project. No matter what you are right now investing on it, you're never gonna regret it. So you're gonna get your money back double, 3 times, 4 times. If you would like to hold and just be patient a little bit for send. Send is really a recommended project. Keep in mind, whatever you see here is not a financial advice, and it never will be in the coming videos too. Aleph is one of the currencies that could do you a very good ROI in matter of like day and night. As you can see here, it goes to 0.35 and it pumps to 0.90. So $2,000 right here give you $4,000 right here. $5,000 right here give you here about $12,000. All right. So this is really easy to be and really to happen. It did correct it right now under 0.30, so it went to 0.80. As you can see here, it does right now do this kind of really smoothly rounded pullback to go up. So it's more likely to be the same next week, to do some kind of pullback like this, and it will be really hard and pump really crazy. Stimulation will be the same. As I said, it can be go to 80. That's the most likely price to go to, and may also play the all-time high also, and get a new all-time high. So this one, I have it. I already bought it, like I think I bought it in 0.30, but the price flipped and continues going back. I may still put another $30 or $300 or $400 right here. I may do it today, I may do it tomorrow. So this is one of really best currencies that may do a lot of ROI. But this is for if you are a fan of Web3 browsers, Web3 applications, or currencies or technology. So if you put in your money right here, so this is the Brave browser, so you can just put it in this token right here. And as we saw also in the 4, this is all what you see. I mean, all the charts that you see here are on daily, so we can just change between the daily and 4 days chart. As we can see here right here, he already like flipped the sloping moving averages toward the upside, meaning a start of a pullback or a reverse on the market on the price. And here right here we see in the 4-hour chart, if we just gonna just a little bit zoom it right here, it starts another candle, and this may tumble back again to 0.70. As I said, we have to wait first until Friday passes, then enter to these currencies right here. I'll go, this is a blockchain actually, and this blockchain will pump one day, and I will do a really detailed content and video about this, because I intended to do it back then, and I think it was in September, but I really didn't. I have a lot of things going on, so I couldn't do it. But I will do another video here and explain to you what an algo is and what kind of countries that are involved in this blockchain. There's a lot of countries that are not known they have adopted this blockchain as a full for their health, for the Ministry of Health, like example, for like, let's just take for example Salvador. So they use the blockchain of algo for the blockchain for the country, for the economic, for whatever they want to build in the future. So algo is one of the blockchains that they use. And there's another also countries that already updated the algo. So it's really I mean, it was in $2, it was in $4 on Gate. In this right here, it tumbles one day to $4. Right now we see under 0.70. Let me go back right here to 0.70. So it was actually, I actually hold more than I think 4,000 of this currency. So I bought it in some kind of prices right here, 120, 160, something like this in this area. So in the accumulation phase there, here where I bought it, because I was thinking that the price will pull back right here, which it didn't happen. I may get more, I may not, so I already have it. So this is one of the currencies that you can see. So if you bought again on 0.60 or 0.70, you already made your money doubled, and it will continue also rising. We can actually add ADA coin to this list, but I'm not a fan of ADA, so you can also do it. Crow or crypto.com, it's one of the winner of FIFA Cup World 2022 in Qatar, which is one will be also a sponsor in there, and that will cause this project to hype, and it's already like starting, because think on projects that been there for 1,000 thousand of fans, thousand of people in the stadium of soccer game while they're watching soccer game, look into this crowd.com all the time on ads, on advertising, promotion on all the time. So that will create a more volume into the price, into the project, that will create more exposure, that will also put more pressure on the price to just pump back. Contentus, which is cost, this is one of the amazing project if you are into Web3 again projects. This is one of really good projects. Contentus is one of the projects that focus on rewarding people with their token content. For people that creates content, this is why it names Contentus. So everyone that creates a content in the future will be paid with content, and content will be the currency of content creator. It's really doing really a high ROI, also 0.13 to 0.40, and it may go more because it was in more than that before. It was in more than 0.20, I think. So if I just gonna go here to 0.060, so that's the price that it went to. So you see here a lot of lines, everything has its own reason why I put those lines right there. But let us keep us moving. OMIA, if you want to do scalping, if you have a good budget, when I'm saying good budget, I'm speaking here about 3k, 4k, 5k, and you want to double that easily as you could. So those kind of currencies that you will want to invest at, because they move really crazy and they move really fast. So if you can see here, from $4 to $13 to $13 almost, $13.30. It comes back again right here, it goes to 7 and it hypes up to 21. It comes right here down to 8 and it hypes again back to 12. That's double. Here 4 to 13, also almost double. So it may go again back to the same spot, to this white line right here on the $5 or even $4, and it might again do the same thing right here, and it may go even to 23, which is really more likely to happen if they just flip this this area right here, this resistance, because this is a resistance right here. And the last one is Run or Rut, I think the name is Rochain or something like that, so the name is really like hard to pronounce. $3 to $9. This is one again from the fast moving cryptocurrencies that you could also invest at. and it can do you like very good ROI. It was more than $20 for, and it tumbles back to $3. It tumbles back to 16 again here to $3, and the same thing will go right now right here. So this is really a solid project that I'm just sharing with you. It's kind of project that if I invest my money there, so I'm just gonna close my eyes and sleep really relaxed, and I know this project will do a good like ROI for me. So this one is just pumped out of nowhere and it's just like listed, and it's still hyping if you wanna grab it. So this is the fifth, the one, the second, the third. We still need no one, the second, the third. We still need the fourth and the fifth, and from there, then we're gonna start pulling back. So it may go to 120, 140, and from there something like this. Let me just draw it for you. So from here one, another one like this, and from there drop. All right. So that's the max you may go to, which is 140. That's my experience on just looking from the chart and tell you what that could be looking like. So these are one of the projects that you have to be on actually April, even before the end of April, or just even start of April, you have to be already investing on this currencies right here. And if you have other favorite currencies that you want to share that may also give us a good investment in ROI and return investment, share with us in comment. I will be glad also to add it to this watch list if you're worth it. And keep in mind, there is a lot of others that is there that could also give you a good investment rewards. And but I just checked, I just mentioned here a few of them. So the market here looks really green, and that's also a sign of a pullback maybe really soon, and we are waiting right now for this pullback in the Bitcoin before the altcoin follow the trend. So I hope you like this content and you give it a subscribe and a follow, and wish you all the best. And if you have any questions, please drop them below. I will be happy to answer them for you. Peace and have a good day. So stay safe. Bye.